Today on AFOL TV, we're building a Lego beach and it starts right now. Alright guys, welcome back. As mentioned, we're building a Lego beach today. We're going to focus on the water portion. We're not going to do the back area or the tree, which is another tutorial and I'll link it up above. But we're going to focus on how we make the water. And this has been requested numerous times after you guys saw the water in our city update videos. So we figured we'd throw together a quick tutorial. Now, as a reminder, we are not going to be building the palm trees or the back greenery. You can find a tutorial, I'll link it up above. And then also, if you're new here and new to our tutorials, you can speed up or slow down the video using the YouTube controls below. So, in order to get started, we're going to need to build a base plate. And we've already laid ours out using various colors of the blue that Lego offers. So we have, sand up here, and then we have the lightest blue near the sand. And again, this is on a 16 by 16 plate. So lightest blue up top, medium blue, blue, and then dark blue. So go ahead and build your base. Pause the video if you need to, and then come on back because it's time to start adding trans colors. A lot of people build water with the trans clear round 1x1 studs. Nothing wrong with that, but today we're going to be using trans tiles and trans plates to do our build. So the focus is going to be using these to create depth, and that is going to give the water more of a natural look rather than just kind of the flat plastic look. So with all of that out of the way, let's dive on in and build a Lego ocean. Remember to stagger the bricks so that you can have a good depth effect at the end. Time for the trans clear, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We're trying to grow the channel and we appreciate all the support. Okay, the first layer is complete, and honestly, it looks pretty good with just this first layer, so you could stop here if you wanted to save money. This isn't a cheap build by any stretch of the imagination, so we'd understand if you left it at just one layer. But if you want to continue on, let's show you how to finish it with the last remaining layer to add the final depth effect. And that's it. Again, not a cheap build, but we really like the effect. And as you can see, it creates a nice depth going down from the beach. So overall, that's how you do it. And that's how we do it in our city. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you haven't already, check us out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all the socials. And be sure to check out our channel for additional tutorials and mocks, as well as ideas for your own city and our own city build as well. And lastly, if you don't already, please consider subscribing. Again, I know it's just a small click of the button, but it really does help the channel grow, and we appreciate everybody's support so far. That's it, and we'll see you next video.